Hey, what's up everybody? Dan here with Total Shape, and if you're thinking of trying out Evolve's Telemed service, especially for TRT, watch my review till the end. I'm gonna give you some information that will basically help you make the decision over, whether this clinic is for you. And I'm also gonna be talking about the service that I personally use. I'll explain why I recommend them, and I'll include a link down below where you can get them at a good discount. But here's the deal with Evolve. So Evolve might be for you, okay? If you want to try Evolve out for their TRT therapy, you're gonna get their legitimate, they have a real bona fide medical staff. They're not a scam, and they will deliver, what they say they're gonna deliver. And they have topical creams, they have injections, they even offer other services that are beyond even just TRT therapy. So all of that's great. Here's the deal. Their pricing is ridiculous, okay? And they're super not upfront, okay? And they try to upsell you left and right. And here's what I wrote some notes down about them actually. Here's what they actually say on their site when you try to look for pricing, okay, my friends? They say every single client's needs are different. Therefore, the TRT therapy cost for individuals has a range of, get ready for this, anywhere from $50 to $1,000 per month. How about I buy a house and someone tells me the mortgage is gonna be anywhere from $1,500 to, $80,000, just somewhere in that ballpark. Like, what the heck, $50 to $1,000? And not only that, if the range is that big, they're setting you up for upselling, and they're setting you up for probably surprise charges, surcharges. They tell you this price, and then when your credit card actually goes through, you're being charged like $80 more and you have no idea why. Then you have to call them and call your bank and do all this nonsense. Nah, man, listen, we are not desperate here for TRT therapy in 2024. Why am I saying that? There are dozens of online services doing this. We don't have to go with it's not like there's only MacBook or Mac or PC. No. There's tons of options. If you're not gonna be upfront with me on the pricing and on the value of what I'm getting, I'll just go to a service that is. So that's why I'm recommending, in this video anyway, the service that I use is called Fountain TRT. There's a link down below that'll get you a great introductory price. But the reason why I recommend them the most is, hey, Evolve's a legit service. Like I said, they're not gonna scam you. You're gonna get your TRT therapy. With Fountain TRT, you're getting it at a flat price. It's $199 a month, which is about mid-tier pricing. It's not even expensive for this kind of service. That includes your blood work. That includes your post-blood work, okay? Because they're gonna test your blood before, and they're gonna test your blood after you've been on the therapy for a while to make sure your actual T levels are actually increasing, okay? And they also include pretty much all of the back and forth dialogue you're gonna have with your clinician. You're gonna have questions. You're gonna wanna make sure, there's not gonna be any adverse reactions with medications you're taking, or, maybe skin products you're using, especially if you're gonna use, Fountain TRT offers the injectable TRT or the topical cream. So if you're gonna use the topical cream, you wanna make sure that no other cream you're putting in your body is gonna interact, and then they have to kind of coach you on how to use it. So all of that is all included, and guess what? It's month to month, baby. I've even, with Fountain TRT, check this out, my T levels got to a healthy level. I stopped doing my topical cream for about 60 days. My lifestyle changes, my lifestyle implementations rather, cold therapy, weightlifting, the things that I naturally do to keep my T levels up, they took a hit after a while because just life got busy. And when my levels dropped again, I ran back to Fountain TRT and started my subscription up again. And it's like no pressure, and they're super ethical, super knowledgeable, and are there even before you're a client. They're there and happy to answer any and all your questions. I can't rave about them enough. That's why I personally use them. But this Evolve thing, if you want to take a gamble, paying $50 to $1,000 and having a high pressured salesperson on the phone with you, then go for it. But if you want just no sales at all, because they're not even incentivized by giving you a bigger package, because it's just $199 a month. So the only thing incentivizing the clinicians and the customer support that you're going to be talking to is that you're happy, and that that you're getting your product, and to know your shipping address. That's about it. So I can't rave about Fountain enough. The link down below, like I said, will give you a discount. But if you have any specific questions about my experience using Fountain TRT, what my results have actually been, all that, T levels are been good, son. But if you want some details, I'm more than happy to answer them. Just drop a question or a comment down below. And for anyone who does try Evolve, whoever's brave enough out there, I would love to hear what your experience is. So drop your experience in the comment section down below as well. See you in the next review, guys. Good luck.